So this is the ACEZUK portable jump starter and tire inflator. So let's unpack it. Kind of hard to do one-handed. So inside here you have the instruction, the warranty card, and then you have here, this is the tire inflator cable, and then this one here is the charging cord for your car battery, and these are some spare valves, and this is the charging cord for the battery. So on the other side here you have the battery, so this is the battery. Turn it on, just press the power button. So in the manual mode you have the option to switch between ball inflation, car tire inflation, motorcycle inflation, and bicycle inflation. And then let's say you don't like the pressure, then you can go in here and reduce the pressure, adjust to whatever you want it to be. Let's say we do 40, and then by pressing OK, it'll, well, so then when you press the button and hold it, it will start to inflate the tire, and obviously in this case I don't have the hose connected. Now by pressing the light button here, you can turn on the light at the top, and then up underneath here is the charging port for USB-C in, and then 2 USB out charging ports. So you can charge your phone in an emergency with it. And that's pretty much it on the extra function. And then here on the side is the port for the car charging. So you just plug this in, and then you have your charging cables. This is your car charging cable. The red and the black connect to your car battery, and the voltage right now is 16.5 volt, and this is how you jumpstart your car. Overall, this is an extremely useful tool to have in your car for an emergency, in case your tires have too low pressure, or in case you need to jumpstart your car, or need an emergency power for your cell phone. So overall, I'm very impressed by the features of this device.
Car. It's got a nice case. I love that. And look, I'm a female. I need simple stuff. And I can jump start it, and it just plugs right in here. It can jump start a whole battery. It can put my tire back with air in it. It's got a way for me to charge my phone. My phone is always dying. Literally, I need this. I run a home bakery. I need a way to charge some stuff. And thinking about hooking up a generator to this. But that's cool. Motorcycle, bike, basketball. What else does it? Oh, and it's got a flashlight. So this is perfect. Like, this is all a girl needs. Get it.
Hi, just wanted to do a quick review of this product here that we got the other day. It is a compact battery and has jumper cables and can compress air to fill up your tires. The jumper cables are detachable as well as the compressor. You can use it as a USB-C charger and charge your phone in emergencies. It also has a light on the end. It is a wonderful product, super compact, great to have in anybody's trunk.